Don't ignore itching in pregnancy. Hi mommy, you're pregnant and there are certain complications. Itching is a very common symptom that we have noticed. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will talk about itching in pregnancy today. Mild itching is very common in pregnancy. That can be caused by small little irritations that are happening here and there. Medically, what is happening is the blood flow to the skin is increasing and your skin is stretching. Because of the stretching of skin, you can have little irritation and little itching as well. But if it is mild, don't worry. But if the same itching is continuing and is affecting your everyday life, then you must be cautious and get in touch with your doctor. In mild itching, there are simple home remedies that you can do and be comfortable. Wear loose clothes. Don't wear synthetic clothes at all. And the cotton clothes, what they're doing is they are causing air circulation in your body, and that also helps in itching. You can use simple lotions, moisturizers, coconut oil, and even a cool bath will help you get rid of your itching. Some patients use very strong perfumes and that could be the cause of irritation and subsequently itching. So make sure you're using plain soap and very mild perfumes. Now comes the challenging part, pregnancy and itching. It is called obstetric cholestasis. In this, your liver gets involved. There are alterations in the liver function and there are certain enzymes which are secreted which cause this itching. In this case, you must see your doctor, and it is very commonly seen in the last trimester. That means the last 3 months of pregnancy. The causes are not very clear. In pregnancy, the hormones are changing and these hormones are causing slowdown of the bile. Now, the bile, which is actually used for fat digestion in your daily diet, this bile, when secreted by the liver, is not metabolized properly and it gets secreted into the bloodstream and that causes itching. So this itching, sometimes we have noticed it runs in families. If your mother had it or if your elder sister had it, you have more chances of having this itching in pregnancy. Then we have even seen it in those patients who have no family history. And we are Indians, it is more commonly seen in Indian women. And if you have had earlier pregnancy in which you had this, there are chances of you having it once again. And what are the warning signs? How will you know that this is not normal itching and it is an issue? The itching will happen throughout. 24 hours of the day you will have itching. And this itching you will feel on your palms, on your soles, on your entire body. It increases at night and it is non-stop. And there are no rashes. So if you have itching without rashes, it indicates you have obstetric hepatic cholestasis. You might even have dark urine. You might even notice jaundice. The white part of the eye, you will notice it could go yellow. And your stools would also be pale. One good thing is it normally disappears a few days after delivery. You don't need to take treatment after delivery because the changes are happening because of your pregnancy. When your uterus is growing up, why in the last trimester? Because when your uterus is growing up, it is putting pressure on your gallbladder, and because of that, all this issue is happening. So now what all will your doctor see? The doctor will take your history, your family history, and will get your liver function test done. In the liver function test, we will see the enzymes and your bilirubin levels. Now what you can do is use calamine lotion, and please make sure you don't itch very profoundly, because when you're itching too much, more itching, more histamine, you will have more itching. So please make sure you take a small cotton cloth, keep it and just rub it on your whatever part of the body you have that itching. So in decreased bile salts will ease itching. And how will this happen? By taking certain tablets. Your doctor will prescribe, and certain dietary changes and certain exercises and yoga will also help. That you will get in our iMumz app. Please download our iMumz app right now to know more about yoga and meditation. In obstetric cholestasis, what happens sometimes, the vitamin K absorption levels are also altered. And vitamin K is used for what? For blood clotting. So if your levels are very high, then we even offer vitamin K supplements to our patients. I cannot say happy itching, but sensible itching is what you need to do. I know when it itches, it becomes so difficult. I've seen patients coming with so many marks, but please have patience, because your body, your skin, you have to manage it. So please use ample calamine lotion. It really helps. Cold pressed coconut oil is also a very good thing, which I've tried practically on so many of my mothers to be. So enjoy your pregnancy. These are small little challenges which will overcome by small treatments and your mental state. Once you have your baby in your laps, I'm sure you'll forget all these things. Thank you and namaste.